So this is actually 8 services in 3 different areas. There's TV, internet, and phone. The TV part is actually 4 different services. So first of all, you get 125 channels in full HD. So all the channels that are in the listing are included in that. It's this set of channels right here, which are made available for you to download or for us to email to you. So it's this listing of channels in the peach, and it's 125 digital channels. It also includes thousands of titles and on demand. So that's movies, TVs, and TV shows, and many of the movies are free. It also includes the Spectrum TV app. So you can watch any of the shows that are in your listing right on your tablet or smartphone. And that can be done anywhere in your home. And if you go outside your home, many of the same channels are available to watch elsewhere. And the fourth service that's included is the rewind, record, DVR service, up to 70 hours worth. And actually, in the price I'm about to tell you, the DVR service and the equipment is all included. So there's 4 services for TV. Next, there are 4 services for internet. Now this is 100 meg internet, so it's very fast, but it's our slowest speed. And that's part of the upgrade that's coming later this year. So you'll be set up in advance for the future and the speeds that are about to be released. So it's 100 meg internet. It includes Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi and modem, there's no extra charge for that. The Wi-Fi is the Wi-Fi router is included in the price I'm about to share with you, and it's actually monitored and serviced 24/7 by our team because it's our equipment. We're not selling it to you or renting it to you. It's our equipment, and that means that 24/7, if there's ever a problem, you just call us up and we'll help you take care of it. So it's 100 meg internet, Wi-Fi is included. It also includes an antivirus suite that you can protect all the devices in your home, no extra charge. And you're connected to over 500,000 hotspots around the country, so you can save internet fees on your data plan on your cell phone if that's the thing for you. Those are the 4 for internet. And then for phone, many people say, well, I don't need a home phone. Well, I can understand that. I use cell phones a lot too. But this all digital phone service is actually really great for 28 reasons. There's 28 services that you can adjust. Caller ID, call waiting, call forwarding, voicemail. You can make it so when the phone rings at home, it'll automatically ring the cell phones. Make it so when the phone rings at home, it'll ring this cell phone and the next one and the next one. You can make it so that nobody in the world can call you except for 3 numbers. Or you can make it so that everybody in the world can call you except for 3 numbers. It's very flexible. But I think one of the most valuable parts is that I know when my kids call me from that phone, I know where they are. And that feels really good. And the other part that's really kind of a nice thing to know about is that if there's ever an emergency and the cell phone battery was dead or I couldn't find it, but you could pick up that phone and just dial 911 even if you couldn't talk. In 3 minutes, emergency services and fire and police would be right outside your door.